In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to factory reset your Windows 10 computer using a command prompt command to initiate the process. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by left clicking on the start button to open up the start menu. You want to proceed to type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. You want to right click on it. Left click on run as administrator. If you receive a user account control window, left click on yes. Now in this elevated command line window, you want to type in system reset, all one word, so system reset, space, minus sign, factory reset. So again, system reset, space, and then a little minus sign attached to factory reset. Then you want to hit enter. This should actually launch the resetting utility built into Windows 10, and that's pretty much it. So from here, just go about selecting whatever options you wanted to pursue, and that should hopefully have addressed your question. So as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.